Hello guys, as always, I want to start with thanking many people out here for raising up the thumbs up button for me. And today video is going to be about TikTok on how to make money on that platform. Um, as you might know, TikTok has developed many things around their monetization, and I want to show you how I'm gonna stop the music so we don't have a copyright claim or wherever really. Anyway, the thing is, you need to go here and make connection so you can be able to start making money on that platform. I'm gonna sign up with my account, Binky Business. If you want, guys, you can join me there and you can send me. Um, this is not my birthday, but anyway, I'm gonna choose this randomly. So just want to show you how this platform is working, and yeah, let's go for it. Connexion, you see, that means I'm gonna stop the volume so we cannot. I hope you guys you still hear me, and I think you will. By the way, this is making. So, guys, the thing is, once you are on the platform, you can start making lives. Once you hit 1,000 subscriber, it's really easy to get to 1,000 subscriber here on TikTok, and you can really reach that like as quick as possible. Once you do it, you start playing some lives as here, and on the live, people they will buy what we call chairs, streamings, gums, whatever really, and they send it to you directly. Also, one thing here. Um, TikTok has made something that's called controversial or something called mechanic of organic, and that means that people or two influencers are competing on each one's who had the best like, and the one who has best like they will get more and more and more cash. So it's really smart from the part of TikTok. So here we go, guys. If you want to win some money on TikTok, you just need to create an account, start uploading videos using keywords, and you can once you get 1,000 subscriber, you can start monetization your account, and of course you will receive money by Western Union. So this is all. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you so much.